Hi and welcome to this V8 tutorial. My name is Cedra and today I'm going to talk about some new functionalities that have been added in V8. These new functionalities are going to help us save time and effort. So today I'm going to talk about one of these new features that is called the Zoom Zone. Here I have a staging plan in front of me right now. As you can see that there are many zones in this staging plan. If I want to work on one particular zone, I need to zoom into that zone. For example, let's say if I want to work on zone number 12, I'm going to zoom into that zone and start working. Instead of zooming in and out again and again on any one zone, we can save our time and create a zoom zone. You can create it by clicking on this zoom option in the assistant toolbar, and then you can click on this new zone option and name this zone. I'm going to give this zone a descriptive name, which is zone 12, and then I'm going to click OK. Now my work here is done, so this zone has been created. If I double click on my scroll mouse button to do a zoom fit and then click on this option that is called zoom to zone, I will be able to see the zones that I have created. If I click on zone number 12 and then click OK, you can see that the drawing instantly takes us to zone number 12. So instead of zooming in and out, we can instantly go to a particular position on our drawing and save our time. I'm going to create a few more zones like this. So I'm going to zoom in on zone number 14, let's say. And then I'm going to create a zoom zone for this. So click here and then type zone 14 and then click OK. I can also create a zone number 15. So I'm going to zoom in to zone number 15. Make sure that it's in front of me right now and everything is covered. And click on this option that is called the new zone option, and I'm going to name it zone 15. I can also name a few other zones. For example, this one is zone number 1. If I want to work on it, I can create a zoom zone and just say this is zone number 1 and click OK. And now I'm going to click on this zoom fit option so that the whole drawing is in front of me right now. And then I'm going to create another zone that is called overview. Click OK and we are done. This is how we can create zoom zones and use them in the top view. For example, let's say if I want to go to zone number 12, I'm instantly there. If I want to go to zone number 1, I will be instantly there. And if I want to go to zone number 14, I can see it right in front of me. We can also delete these zones by clicking on this delete zone option. So if I click on this option, I will be able to select any zone and then click on delete, and that particular zone will be deleted. Now this option can also be used in the layout view. So if I want to create a layout view, I'm going to click on this layout option and then click on this new layout. The new layout can be named anything. I can name it layout 1, paper size A3, and the title sheet we are going to use Cal International A3 size title sheet. Click OK. I need to create a viewport in order to see my drawing. That viewport is actually a window that appears on top of your drawing, and through that window you can see your drawing. So I'm going to click on this add viewport option, click, and now this window comes up in front of us. In this window, you can see all these options. So these are all the views, and then we can set up a scale for these views. On the right side, you can see the zones that we have created. This feature is a new feature that has been added in V8, and it is extremely handy. So if I use one of the zoom zones, for example, this overview zoom zone, you will see that the view scale option has been grayed out. This means that the zoom zones are not based on scale. If I want to insert one of the zones, for example, zone 1, I'm going to click on it and then I'm going to click OK. I'm going to follow the prompt that says select the first corner of the view clip boundary. So click, and then I'm going to follow the prompt again that is asking me to select the second corner of the view clip boundary. So click again, and as you can see that the viewport has been created. If I double click on one of the dots here, you will be able to see that the scale is just random. I will insert another viewport and I'm going to show you the same zone but in a different sized viewport. So if I insert the viewport here and double click on one of these dots again, you will see that the scale is completely different for this viewport. It means that these zoom zones are just a positioning tool and the scale of these zoom zones is not real. Now I can insert an overview of the drawing right here. So I'm going to insert another viewport and then click on overview and then click OK and then insert an overview of the drawing here as well. I can click and drag to change the size of this viewport. I will be able to delete any of these viewports by clicking on this option and then clicking on one of the dots here. And then I can delete this one as well. And now I can insert a new port with a different zone. So click on zone 12, click OK, and then I can insert zone number 12 here. And I can insert zone number 14 here. So this new ability of zoom zones to be used in a layout view is extremely efficient as it can save a lot of time and hassle. If you have any questions about this video or about any other new feature, just let us know. And also please feel free to suggest a topic for the upcoming videos. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please hit the like button and please subscribe to our channel. We will be waiting for your comments. Thank you and have a great day.